Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy Buds FE1 earbud not working. If your Samsung Galaxy earbud not working, then you will need to reset your earbuds. For that, if you manually restart your Samsung earbuds, insert the earbuds into the charging case and close the lid. Wait for at least 7 seconds and then remove the earbuds. This will restart and automatically reconnect your device. If you want to factory reset your Samsung earbuds, for that you will need to follow these steps. Navigate to and open the Galaxy Wearable app on your connected phone. Make sure both earbuds are connected to the app. Test your buds for normal operation. If you continue to have issues, go to the next step. Galaxy Buds Plus, Galaxy Buds Live, Galaxy Buds Pro and Galaxy Buds 2. Tap earbud settings, then tap reset, and then tap reset again to confirm. Galaxy Buds. Tap about earbuds. Tap reset earbuds and then tap reset again to confirm. Gear icon X. Tap the settings tab in the app and then tap about gear. Tap reset gear and then reset. You can reset your Samsung earbuds with the help of app, Galaxy Wearable app. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.